Carbon sequestration. Our design criteria are cost, safety, efficiency, applicability, and sustainability. My design is a dual carbon capture that is placed on the vehicle exhaust pipe. This design will capture the CO2 emitted through a permeable membrane that absorbs CO2. My design also pulls CO2 from the atmosphere through a CO2 selective membrane by the fan design. This design is mobile and fits to all exhaust pipes to achieve the goal of having this design in use globally.
My design is an altered wind turbine that captures CO2 while producing green energy. The blades of the turbine are composed of tiny membranes which separates the carbon in the air, ultimately purifying the air.
This device is designed to be attached to an exhaust pipe on a vehicle. It's essentially a portable CO2 scrubber. These work by cooling the exhaust gases, exposing them to a liquid solvent which reacts with CO2 to form a solid, and separating the CO2 from the other gases. These gases are expelled from the device through an exhaust pipe, and the solid is reheated and denatured to separate the CO2 and the solvent. The CO2 is stored as a gas, while the liquid solvent is pumped back up to be reused. This design explains the process of taking previously captured carbon that was emitted by a power plant and pumping it into an underground reservoir for long-term storage.
The hybrid seawater fuel cell system is designed to systematically capture and remove carbon from exhaust streams while producing electricity to create syngas for liquid fuels. In addition, the system is designed to collect CO2 in solid form so that excess carbon can be used in carbon-based products. The carbon exhaust system is designed to capture carbon from industrial processes in a way that eliminates back pressure while safely removing CO2 from both exhaust streams and flare stack incinerators. The system is designed for easy maintenance and ease of accessibility at a relative low cost.
After assigning weights to our criteria based on priority, we rank the design based on the ability to satisfy these criteria. The design with the highest score is a wind turbine carbon capturing blades.